HairPoint Analytics for SharePoint Online allows data analysts to overview and work with data collected throughout the tenant, including users' personal data. In some cases, the company policy might prohibit direct access to such sensitive information. Our product can obfuscate it in order to comply without sacrificing report usefulness and functionality. Open the Settings page of HairPoint Analytics. Scroll down to the Report Fields Obfuscation Policy. The currently obfuscated fields are listed under Active Policies. By default, none of the fields are obfuscated. To change that, click Edit and select the fields. Click Save. It might take some time to fully process. Usually, the reports will be ready within 24 hours. HairPoint Analytics uses static obfuscation, which means that identical values are converted to identical obfuscated values. Thanks to this, you will still be able to group and drill through the obfuscated data. To ensure security, the Power BI storage does not contain real values for the obfuscated fields. That is, even if the storage is accessed directly, using Microsoft Azure Storage Explorer, for example, only obfuscated values will be retrieved. You are welcome to schedule a demo session where we will walk you through the features, answering all questions live.